Stop scrolling right now! Look at that yellow box of baking soda sitting in your kitchen. If you think it's only for baking or absorbing odors in your refrigerator, you're making a serious mistake against your own body. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret protocol that ancient healers called the vascular eraser. When you combine this simple powder with one specific oil, you'll create the most powerful biological delivery system known to mankind. I'm talking about treating bone spurs that keep you from walking, erasing age spots, and most importantly, restoring blood flow to places it hasn't reached in years. Today, I'll give you the forbidden knowledge that explains why modern science trembles at the success of this inexpensive mixture. Halfway through this video, I'll reveal the 5-minute test that will prove your body has already begun responding, and I'll show you how to erase skin tags overnight. Stay with me, because what you'll see at the end of this video will send you running to your kitchen immediately. Why does castor oil sometimes fail on its own? The secret lies in biochemical intelligence. Castor oil is the locomotive that carries ricinoleic acid, a rare molecule that makes up 90% of the oil. This acid isn't just a moisturizer, it's the key that activates the EP3 prostaglandin receptors in your cells, which are responsible for putting out the fires of inflammation and opening blocked vascular pathways. But the problem in the body of a man over 60 is that the skin and tissues become a hardened shield. That's where baking soda comes in. It is the detonator that changes the skin's pH and forcefully opens the pores, allowing the oil to penetrate deep into the bones and reach the deep blood vessels that restore vitality to your entire body, from head to toe. We are not mixing two ingredients. We are creating a nuclear reaction inside your tissues. 7. Erasing age spots. Restoring your skin's memory. Those brown spots on your hands are not just signs of aging. They are accumulations of burned melanin caused by poor microcirculation. Massaging this mixture in a counterclockwise direction stimulates lymphatic drainage and allows oxygen to flow once again to those lifeless areas. Do this before bed and watch the maps of time disappear from your skin. 6. Hardened scars. Reprogramming tissue. Do you have an old scar from surgery or an injury? Scar tissue is dead tissue. Our mixture works as a dissolver of hardened proteins, forcing the body to send fresh blood to the area to regenerate it. We are bringing the dead land in your body back to life. Here we reach the secret that many people hide: total circulation. Have you ever felt cold in your extremities or a lack of vital energy when you wake up? Research suggests that massaging the lower back and sacral area with this warm mixture triggers a reflex response that widens the deep arteries in the pelvis. When blood flow improves in the center of strength in your body, everything is affected, from your ability to walk long distances to restoring the vitality you thought had left you forever. We are not treating the skin, we are treating the entire circulatory system. Before we move on to the most powerful uses, there's a secret no one tells you. You must look for 100% pure aluminum-free baking soda. And one more thing. Did you know that inhaling the vapors of warm castor oil during preparation stimulates the salivary glands beneath your tongue to produce alkaline enzymes? The body is one connected system, and healing begins the moment you decide to change your internal environment from worn-out acidity to renewed alkalinity. 5. The joint and knee miracle. The 20-minute protocol. A worn-out knee is a dry, acidic knee. Baking soda neutralizes acidity, while castor oil lubricates the joint. The secret protocol. Apply the mixture, wrap it with a cotton cloth, then place a warm salt pack over it. Leave the wrap on for a full 20 minutes. This is the amount of time ricinoleic acid needs to pass through the fatty layers and reach the vascular bed inside the bones. You'll feel a strange warmth. That's your blood returning to wash away the inflammation. 4. Skin tags and sebaceous cysts. Don't rush to surgery. A skin tag survives on a distorted blood supply. Mixing castor oil with baking soda chemically cuts off this blood supply and dries it out from its roots. Apply a small amount, cover it with an adhesive bandage, and repeat this for 3 nights. 3. Nail fungus, the hidden enemy. After the age of 60, nails become thick because less blood reaches the nail bed. Our mixture kills the fungus and stimulates the growth of a new, pink, healthy nail by improving blood circulation directly beneath the nail. Why do we insist on doing this before bed? Scientists discovered that your bone marrow reaches its peak activity at 2 o'clock in the morning. When you apply this mixture before going to sleep, you're supplying your body with the raw materials at the exact time it performs its major maintenance work. You're sending a signal to your bone marrow to produce more flexible blood cells that are capable of passing through even the narrowest arteries that have become blocked by time. 2. Corns and cracked heels. This isn't just dryness. It's a loss of flexibility in your vascular tissues. This mixture dissolves dead skin, locks in moisture, and allows blood circulation to reach the very last point in your heel. By morning, you'll feel like you're walking on clouds. 1. The 5-minute test. For this application, I want you to try the absorption test. Apply a very small amount beneath your eye area or on the thin skin of your wrist. Leave it on for only 5 minutes. You'll notice how the mixture disappears as your skin begins to tighten and glow. Castor oil stimulates lymphatic drainage, and baking soda tightens sagging skin. Within minutes, you'll know that your body has awakened and started working. Your health is your final investment. That yellow box and that small bottle are your soldiers in the battle against time. Start tonight with the 5-minute challenge. Then move on to the joint that hurts or the area where you feel sluggishness for 20 minutes. Remember, we don't believe in aging. We only believe in cells that need care and blood that needs to flow. Press like and subscribe now to become part of this new awareness, and share this video with a lifelong friend who needs to hear these words today. Write the name of your city and the word READY in the comments so we can begin this journey back to strength together. I'll see you at the top, where your arteries pulse with life once again. This protocol is for educational purposes only. Please always perform a patch test on a small area of skin and consult your healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have chronic medical conditions. Stay healthy and well.